Hey, hello! These are budget-friendly, with exceptional quality and very good audio. This is what I can say about the latest Tribit headset. First model ever that they released with active noise cancelling feature. Might be that you've just seen the best budget ANC Bluetooth headphones. Let's inspect! Good day everyone, and a warm welcome to the channel in these cold winter days over here. I'm Michael, and it's always great to sit down, enjoy a cup of tea and listen to great music. Just like everybody has a different taste of music, we all have different perception about sound, but we can easily make the difference between good and bad sound. And Tribit continue to impress with their phenomenal product portfolio, adding noise-cancelling headphones for the first time ever. And my gut tells me that this will be another successful story. I'm also about to inspect their more basic non-ANC model, but since this is the brand new and sort of the top of the pop device, deserves some priority. Furthermore, Tribit give the chance to order one of the early units with great discount of up to 40% at the launch week and 30% a bit later on. And if you're watching the review after these campaigns are over, make sure to check the description for links and discount codes. So, who will Tribit challenge? Certainly not Bose or Sony, which have easily conquered the top spots for ANC with their patented technologies, but it can easily surpass in terms of quality pretty much everything else below $100, and makes me think about the Music's model, which felt a little more premium and was signed that good ANC headsets will now be friendlier to our pockets. So for a little less than $90, here's what we get. Unboxing comes first, and we're being left with good impressions. Box looks and feels alright, the specs are visible on the backside, and we already know what to expect. Good to see that the headphones have their own case. It's a hard case, and in my opinion, essential, because otherwise it's too easy to break, not hygienic enough, and so on. And inside, the user guide, cables, and the headphones. Two cables, one for connection via 3.5mm jack. That thing still existing? And there's one cable for charging. If you're an audiophile and believe that music would sound better with a wire, then fine, but for most of MP3 and AAC files, doesn't really matter. Would be more meaningful if you listen to FLAC or WAV files or direct CD audio. The construction of the headphones is the first thing I've explored. There's a metal plate which is supposed to keep the integrity and make the headphones more durable. We've seen many models simply breaking when the materials wear off. There is folding mechanism, however not tilting, so even in their most folded position, the headphones are a little bunky when staying in the case. The specifications promise great performance. Drivers are 40mm, which is about the size of Sony 1000XM3 headphones. There's no word about the frequency response yet, but the rest of the specs are disclosed. The battery provides up to 30 hours playback time. We count on Bluetooth 5 with range of up to 33 feet or around 10 meters, 3 physical buttons for volume and playback, and a dedicated button for switching on and off the noise cancelling. The headphones are extendable. Big heads, small heads, should feel good. The ear cushions are very soft, and the maximum amount of time that I spent was around 4 hours. No sign of discomfort. So they're good for wearing continuously, and if you do not necessarily sleep on one side, good for sleeping too, especially during flights. Since hardware is clear, let me talk about the features and the performance. We'll first let you know what these headphones do not support. No smart assistant, so no Alexa or Google Now or whatsoever. There is not even a smartphone app. These headphones are about being simple and about working good. 3 buttons on the side. Using the main button, you can switch on. You can play the next track by 2 short presses. You can go to the previous track with a quick triple press. If someone is calling you, a short press accepts the call, long press will reject the call. And a long press, while silent, will shut them off. Of course, you will be very interested at the noise cancellation. Well, the headset is very well isolating by itself, so even the passive noise cancellation is good. The separate NC button takes care of the rest of the surrounding noises. I noticed that it is not too great when coping with too low and too high frequencies, but the few times I've tried in the subway, it did the job perfectly well, and it was very efficient, eliminating all the sound generated by the rails. So my expectation is that handling airplane noise will be quite effective too. Knowing that noise cancelling requires good processing power, we cannot expect miracles from the QuietPlus model, but it actually delivers. The implication of the noise cancelling is notable only if you can distinguish a wide spectrum of sounds. And there's slight decrease in stereo levels, and I can notice some impact on the low frequencies and dynamics. Nothing new, and like every other ANC headset, there is some degradation of the sound, in this case luckily almost not notable. In my opinion, the performance is remarkable. Sound is very well calibrated and is apparently touched by someone with sound engineering background. You can enjoy good bass, but not as boomy as, for example, JBL product sound. And the high frequencies are not smashed. The maximum volume luckily brings also no distortions. And on top of that, you can keep them connected with a few devices simultaneously. The best thing, look now, listening to music from the laptop, and someone's gonna be calling me on the phone. The feature isn't described in the user guide, but actually is there. It stops the music from the laptop, lets you speak, and once the call is over, the music is resumed. Oh, and did I mention that there's an embedded microphone?
A quick microphone test now. Apparently this is not the perfect microphone for online gaming, for instance, or for high quality audio when you do some Skype calls, but if it's primarily gonna be used for simple phone calls, then Tribit got it right.
Testing with some of my favorite music tracks, especially such that are sound device demanding, my impressions are extremely positive. The battery didn't disappoint either. The calculations aren't perfect, but these lasted for around a week with 2 to 3 hours of listening each day, and I forgot them connected twice overnight. So, no, I cannot say that these are the best active noise cancelling headphones on the market right now, but they seem to be the best in the range below $100, and because of the simplicity that they offer and the affordable price, they will probably become my primary headphones. The only remark is that the buttons are not so well grouped, but after around a month of almost everyday use, I'm already well used to each one of them. Good music deserves good audio devices, and in my opinion this is the best you can get at this budget. And hopefully there would be more people to try these headphones soon, because I'm looking forward to hear about your opinion in the comments right below the video. Link with an awesome discount you will find in the description below, and I hope it was another useful and fun to watch video. If you'd like to see more, make sure to subscribe and come back soon, and giving me a thumb up is greatly appreciated. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.